Hi, this is Chris from Tyre Parts Plus, and today we have a 2021 LDV D90 Wagon, stock reference number 5050. This shape runs from the 11th month 2017 through and is the current shape. It has a 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol turbo engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol turbo engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. Bonnet has 2 small dents. Left power door mirror. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors and guard appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory touchscreen media player, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Tyre Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.